Hail to Wall Street, Willie. What is a car loan? A car loan, also called an auto loan, is a way to finance your car. It allows you to borrow money from a lender in order to purchase a new or used car. You pay back the loan with interest through monthly payments over a set period of time. You can get a car loan directly from the car dealership or through a bank, credit union, or an online lender. How do car loans work? When you want to take out a car loan, it's best to comparison shop lenders to find the ones that offer you the best loan terms. Once you have chosen your lender, you submit an application and provide the necessary documentation for the lender to determine your creditworthiness. After the lender approves the loan, you make a down payment, usually around 20% of the vehicle's purchase price. The rest is given to you as a loan. Over a certain amount of time, called the loan's term, you pay off the loan through monthly installments. This includes principal, the amount borrowed, and interest. The average term of a car loan in the US is 72 months or 6 years. However, the term can be as short as 12 months or as long as 96 months. The majority of car loans are secured, meaning that if you are unable to pay it off, the lender can sell your car to recover the remaining loan amount. What is the monthly payment for car loans? Your monthly payment depends on the APR or the effective interest rate you qualify for. The average interest rate for new car loans in the US is between 5 and 8%, and it's over 10% for used car loans. However, the interest rate varies greatly based on your credit score, the higher the better, as well as other factors such as the loan amount, term of the loan, etc. If you make a sizable down payment or trade in your old car, your loan amount would be reduced, bringing down your monthly payment. Also, longer-term loans will bring down your monthly payment, although you'll end up paying a lot more in interest over time. It's important to note that car companies sometimes run promotions where you pay no interest for a certain amount of time, sometimes as high as 5 years. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.